Niyo yung parang mas delicious sa halikan, si Brett o si
Delicious
Andre?
sa halikan.
Delicious? Hindi ko naman sila natikman. Hindi ko alam. You have to ask Andy. Hindi ko natikman. Kung natikman ko, I will tell you. But wala akong natikman. I cannot say. Si Andy can answer that.
Wala po kasi kaming kissing scene ni Andre. So, di ko rin alam sa kanya kung ano lasa niya. So, yun. So, si Brett, kami lang po ni Brett yung may kissing scene sa pelikula.
How was it yung kissing scene? Comfortable ka ba sa kanya?
Kailan naman?
Si Jerry natatawa. Bakit ka tumatawa, te? 40 mo yan. Go. Push mo pa. Nagtuturoan? Ano to?
Si Brett, how was it? The kissing scene with Andy? Lalo pat you're a newcomer.
For me, I enjoyed it naman, syempre. I mean, Andy is a really beautiful girl, so, and we're friends din, so, oo, saya.
Hindi, follow up ko lang, Jerry, ah. Hindi ba nakakailang to be working together in such a movie? In real life, you are being linked together with each other.
Sobrang hirap. Pero kasi parang like nung first day namin, as in sobrang hirap talaga. Minsan parang nag-aaway na kaming dalawa sa, kasi ano ba, huwag mo gawin yan. Parang kasi magkakilala na talaga kami eh. So hindi mahirap para sa amin na maging sobrang transparent sa isa't isa pagka magka-eksena. But then, we got used to it eventually. And that's what I really liked about Brett is even if he's known me, even before the shoot, and it's his first movie, he's so much of a professional talaga. He really did what he had to because he wanted to work.
Si Brett naman.
I think what made it easier is that, syempre, Andy really helped me every day sa lahat. Like, yung mga scenes, before the scene, Brett, you can try this, or ganon, or ganon. So every day, because Andy was there, made it a lot easier, especially.
Andy, bigyan mo naman kami example. Anong klase ng eksena yung huwag mong gawin yan?
Ay, hindi ko po siya tinuturuan. It's just that kasi hindi po siya masyadong nakakaintindi ng... Marunong siya mag-Tagalog pero hindi po siya masyadong nakakaintindi. So yung sa script, hindi niya po masyadong nagigets yung ibig sabihin po minsan nung nakasulat. So parang ina-explain ko po sa kanya na, ay hindi yan yung sinasabi niyan, parang ganun. Pero hindi ko pa siya tinuturuan kasi it's not, ano yun, he's his own person. Hindi ko siya dapat turuan.
Di ba direct may love scenes?
Hindi naman sila nagtuturoan kung paano mag-love scene. I only asked them to do what is needed in the script, and they were able to do it very well, according to how I wanted it to be. Not on how they wanted it to be, but according to how I like it to be done. Yun lang yung ginagawa nila. And they're very good. But hindi ko alam na girlfriend pala kayo that time. And I didn't even care. As long as they will be able to do what is needed in the scene. Later on ko na lang nalaman. Natakot ako baka mag-away sila.
Hindi matapos yung
Mapupurnada yung film. So, hindi naman sila nag-away. They were so good, they were so professionals.
Direct, how does it feel parang comeback movie mo to sa rom-com na genre? What was the last rom-com you
Matagal na
did?
akong gumawa ng mga rom-com. Comeback.
Naalala mo
Siguro,
ba?
baka dahil matagal akong hindi nag-rom-com, I was doing so many serious ones. It's always a welcome for me to do
Naalala mo kung anong last rom-com mo, direct?
Ano ba?
O hindi na rin? Sa sobrang tagal.
Desperadas, 1 and 2, ano pa ba? Ay, nakalimutan ko na. Madami na akong nagawang rom-com. But this is the one different. Why is it different? Because it comes from Wattpad. Wattpad is a new culture. Ito yung bagong uri ng pamantayan ng pagbagawa ng bagong pelikula na hango sa Wattpad. Ang Wattpad ang dating comics. Dati comics ang pinagbabatayan ng istorya, ang ginagawang pelikula. Ngayon naman, batay sa nobelang galing sa Wattpad. Ito ang kauna-unahan kong Wattpad movie. And I enjoyed it. Kaya ko rin palang mag-Wattpad.
Albog. Ano, sinong gusto magtanong ng ating next question? Arniel, busy mag-post sa PEP. Te, may question ka. Sigurado ako may question ka.
Kunyari, hindi ko alam yung question. Kunyari lang.
Kunyari, hindi mo Go, ate.
Para sa mga cast members, paano kayo nakaka-relate sa characters nyo sa totoong buhay?
Oh, sige, start natin kay Andre para hindi niya alam kung anong role niya. Charot!
I know my role po, sorry. I can relate po sa role ko by, of course, being a really kind person. I'm understanding kasi po sa movie, hindi pa ako sinasagot, hindi po ako sinasagot ni Hailey. So, understanding, hindi mo na ako yung tipong tao na pag hindi ka sinagot dapat, uy, bakit hindi? I'm more of, tinatanggap ko lang and I'll do my best. And as the character, well, they're different. May ibang parts na, that's not me, pero of course, it's for the movie, it's for the people. Kailangan talaga pag-aralan po.
Brett, yeah.
For me, relatable naman kasi hopeless romantic si Russell. Like me, parang give up everything for love, ganon. Parang Russell and I connect that way. So that's how I found the character here.
Andy, as Hailey.
Siguro po ako naman, katulad ni Hailey, isa lang akong normal na kababaihan na, di ba, nagmamahal, nasasaktan, nabibigo, ganun. Ganun din si Hailey. And I think yun yung isa sa mga struggles niya. Is gusto niyang makahanap ng, gusto niyang makahanap ng taong tunay na magmamahal sa kanya, na di siya lolokohin, na mamahalin siya ng tama. And I guess, ako rin, just like any other girl, ganun din naman yung hangad ko sa buhay, pagdating sa pag-ibig.
Follow-up din?
May follow-up ako kay Andre. Sayang, marami nang hihinayang kasi wala ka raw pinapakitang katawan dito.
Honestly po, I'm working out po. Kasi of course, I know na maybe if I work out, I can land more roles na siguro yung ginagawa po ni Brett or Nella James or the other actors po. And I mean, it's a good thing to explore kasi maybe I can land my dream role as an action star so I can do like fight scenes. Pwede akong mag-bad for no reason.
For Brett and Andy, nadulas ata si Direk, nagkaroon talaga kayo ng relasyon. Ilang buwan at paano natapos?
Tapos na ba?
That's a personal thing na po. Basta, friends kami. Ngayon.
Kaninong place? Sa kanya o sa'yo? Palagi. Kaninong place ka sinagot at your place ba or kaya Brett?
I guess both, but in a wholesome manner naman. Kasi, I mean, hang out, watch movies naman, ganun.
Naughty daw sabi ng mga to Ayun, Andy, last na lang. May picture na lumabas nga na parang magkasama kayo ni Jay. Kayo na ba ulit?
Hindi po. Pero opo.
Kayo sa picture?
Kami po yun.
Bakit palagi niyang kasama si Ellie?
Hindi naman po palagi. It's just that he's not here all the time. He's not based here. And whenever he comes to visit, that's the thing. Si Ellie, important sa kanya pa rin na makita. Kasi they're friends. I mean, they're close. And he cares about her. So, the other day, si Ellie nagkaroon lang siya ng pictorial. Tapos, sobrang wala siya sa mood. So, tinawagan ko lahat ng mga pamilya ko na pumunta para tulungan ako na para nalibangin siya. Tapos nagkataon na si Jake nag-text kasi malapit siya doon sa area. So siya na rin, napadaan na rin siya para laruin si Ellie.
Pero okay na kayo, ni Jake?
Okay na po kami, opo.
Paano mo tinanggap yun, Brett?
It's okay with me naman kasi 4 years naman sila dati, di ba? And then, I mean, we're 24, both of us. Mature naman kami. I mean, it's not like we're 18, away-away, ganon. And at the same time, may respect naman ako kay Andy. Decision niya yun, di ba? So, if that's how it is, okay naman. I mean, that doesn't affect yung relationship namin.
Yung short-lived relationship niyo ba is may pag-ibig or just something? Something, for fun and
I think we found happiness in friendship. Kasi parang it doesn't mean when you love someone, it doesn't mean you have to be together. It just means na you care about them, diba? So knowing that Andy's there for me and I'm there for Andy, that means a lot to us. You know?
Thank you.
Si Andy talaga hindi na sumagot. Ang next question natin will come from, baka kung anong sagutin mo, girl. Si Janice Navida from Bulgar. Bulgar din ang tanong, te?
Depende sa sagot nila. Depends. Good afternoon. Oo. In real life ba, how do you find the setup na fan before love or love before fan?
Sama ba si Direk sa tanong?
How do you find that setup?
Si Direk muna daw.
Fan before love.
Fan before love or love?
Ano bang fan before love? Let's get straight to it. Fuck before love?
Direk ang vulgar mo talaga.
Pag Bulgar ka na daw talaga.
Ano ba? Ano ba yung fan before love?
Ano bang direct papakita sa movie na fan before love?
Well, it was fun. They're having fun being together, and then they found out that they can do it in the bed, in bed also. I mean, that's part of the game. Sa totoong buhay ba, paano ba? Love ba muna? Sa totoong buhay, love ba muna agad? Wala namang ganoon. Palakita na kita, love na kita. Karatantaduhan naman yun, no?
So, ikaw,
Diba may
fan
physical
before
attraction
love.
muna kayo, tapos nagdo kayo, tapos I love ko pala siya. Di ba ganon? Hindi muna, I love na kita, doon na tayo. Ay, hindi ganoon, walang ganoon. Parang iba ang panahon mo.
Conservative ako, direct. How about the others? Kasi si Andre kanina, di ba natanong ko, sabi niya, he had never experienced that. Di ba?
Opo. For me, tama si Direk, it's fun before love. Kasi when you mean fun, para sa akin, you get to know the person, you get to know the personality, you get to know the parents more, and then you get to know each other more. And if I were to be in this situation, pipiliin ko muna ligawan yung parents. Kasi alam ko ganun po tayo na parents muna bago yung babae. Kasi if you really want the relationship to work, kailangan talaga yung approval of the parents po.
Pero din sa connotation of fun, it doesn't mean naman na kailangan yung umabot sa bed.
You don't have, well, I don't have knowledge on that, honestly. Pero if that's what makes, I'm 19, sorry. I mean, if it comes to that, why? Pero for me, yung fun, my idea of fun is going out with friends, group dates, or kayong dalawa. Pero maybe not to the point na intimate, kasi that's when you exchange your soul, your feelings, which is kind of scary for me. Well, I don't know. I'm 19, sorry.
Si Andy and si Brett. Si Andy muna.
Ako naman po, ayun, totoo naman po yun eh. May it be in the way that Andre said it or the way that Direk said it. Siyempre, muna. I mean, fun. In the sense na makikilala mo muna yung tao, ganun. Hindi naman pwede mahulog ka agad sa tao in an instant. Although ako, at the moment, parang that's why I choose to be alone for now. Kasi kahit na 24 pa lang ako, pero I already have Ellie. So my priorities are different now. And so, what I'm after is something that I know will last forever. So, mag-isa lang muna ako.
So yung past experience mo is the same, fun before love?
Opo, syempre, yun nga. Just like what Direk said, paano mangyayari na love muna? Hindi naman pwede na
Kasi kayo ni Jake-
nakikipagkilala ka lang sa tao, kasi mahal kita. Kaya kailangan.
Hindi kasi kayo ni Jake, di ba childhood sweetheart?